The spring attaches between your lawnmower's frame and the transmission. When the control cable is released, the spring pulls the transmission back, disengaging the drive belt. Over time, the spring can weaken or break. When this occurs, the transmission will often stay engaged or creep when you release the control cable. Replacing the spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt cover from the mower. Next, I'll remove the belt guard from the transmission. It's secured with 2 screws. And I'll pull the belt away from the pulley. The transmission tension spring attaches to the frame and down on the transmission. I'll go ahead and remove the connection at the frame first. And then I'll remove the spring from the transmission. Now I can install the new spring. With where the spring is located, there's no way we can show you on camera how it connects to the transmission. I have a sample transmission here, and what I need to do is loop the spring around this hole right here on the transmission. I'll loop the spring through and then connect the other end to the frame. Now wrap the belt back around the pulley and reinstall the belt guard. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the belt cover. And that's all it takes to install a new transmission spring in your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.